How to add high school on Snapchat. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and in this video, I'm gonna guide you how you can add a high school on your Snapchat. So make sure that you have installed the latest version of Snapchat on your device. Go on the Google Play Store. On the top search bar, you can simply search for Snapchat right here. After searching for Snapchat, if there is any update option available, then do update it. If there is not anything available, then just open your Snapchat as it is. After that, you need to go on your profile, and when you scroll down and down while you tap on your profile, which is on the top left side, you will see the option of communities, and in communities you will see the option of add high school or university. But since Snapchat has not made this feature available in my region, so I will not be seeing it. So if you see this, just tap on it and then you can simply tap your high school, and then it will give you many options right there, and then you can just tap on it and then add your high school on Snapchat. I hope this video helped you. If you like the video, then please do thumbs up, subscribe, and also comment on the comment section below.